Hello, I'm Zach Snooks, Director of Product Management at Biamp, and I'm here at Zoomtopia, showing off Biamp's, in this case, small room conference solutions. So our small room is flanked by our partnership with Lenovo and our ability to directly offer up Zoom Room appliances with their ThinkSmart Core. And that Zoom Room is actually perfectly paired with our Parlé conferencing bar. So the Parlé conferencing bar is perfect for huddle spaces, small conference rooms, and medium conference rooms. It's an all-in-one bar that includes a camera, mic, and speakers. It's got a beam tracking 24-element array, stereo speakers. It's the rAVe quality solution to a conference room. So the bar is available in a camera and a non-camera version, and it's augmented by the process of Biamp Launch. And Biamp Launch is the single button press to go in, use the device to measure the acoustical performance of any given conference room space, and tailor its setup to that actual user's room. So Biamp's here to take your huddle and small and medium conference rooms and tune them up and make it completely compatible to your unique room environment. So that's our small room offering here at Zoomtopia. If you want to learn more about Biamp's offerings, visit us at www.biamp.com.